10-4. All right, man. Get white to the side.
Hey, watchmaker, I can hear you in there, no doubt about it, but it's rough and tough. The old conditions have stretched out a little bit, watchmaker, no doubt about it. And I got that old 131 rolling in there like a freight train. I got 131 Mustang radio rolling into my receive like a freight train. But hey, watchmaker, I definitely got a grip on you in between the keys, no doubt. So we're going to see if we can put that 4-1 wave right back at you. Watchmaker 122, kicking it back.
131, I'm checking that mail. Here you coming in, talking to the west side. Here you talking to that 131 Mustang radio. No doubt. Keep doing what you're doing, 122. Hey, chicken man. Hey, no doubt, I got your mail. Chicken man, it's me with the mail. Bump it up. You can just bump that thing up just a wee bit. There you go, just bump that thing up. Just a wee bit. Make it out this way.
Carolina Kid, have yourself a blessed rest of this weekend. Carolina Kid, your friend, last station on the Gold Coast in the South. I'll see you. Bye.
Just trying to roll on through to the west side from the northeast corner, no doubt, 122, state of Maine.
But, man, I didn't get your numbers. I heard you talking about it. I didn't get your numbers, man. We'll try to get you in that Hall of Fame. West Side Radio, still checking that man.
122. Hey, Mustang Radio. 122, northeast corner, Maine, trying to wave.
Hello out there, Macho Man, old string bean giving you a morning wave. Macho Man, North Carolina. 22's dropping. Somebody else.
Mr. 153, you're making a whole lot of noise out here in my cactus patch.
You have yourself a good one, and thanks for the shout. 295, String Bean, Southwest 379. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
How about it over there on the west side? 122, northeast corner, state of Maine. I'm giving it a try.
Sounds good on a Sunday afternoon, no doubt, my friend. Take care. Catch you again. 153 New York. Right now, 836 in Georgia. That's the way it's done. You came up on there and just cleaned out my double other radio. 830. I mean, that's the way it's done, man. You say you're going to clean out my radio, and there you go. The Peach State's done it again. Oh, there, 36. You sounded good.
On the Gold Coast.
Just looking for some conditions over there on the west side. No doubt about it. 122, northeast corner, state of Maine.
There's a 30 dB wave there from the Peach State. I guess that's where Mother Nature's rock and roll from right about now. I guess Mother Nature's rock and roll from Georgia. I appreciate that, 36. You know I got conditions. Hey, you're definitely making it out here to the west side. Worldwide Mustang Radio Show, getting on down.
Waving a hand, 131 Mustang Radio. Hey, Mustang Radio, you're rolling into the northeast corner. Hey, Mustang Radio, 122, state of Maine, trying to wave.
We heard you in there, man. I ain't talking to you quiet a few months. Glad to hear you in there, my friend. Your friend, Try it again. Well, there's a couple out there trying, man. I do hear a couple of people out there trying, man. It's just turning into a big old mess, man. You know how it works. Out here, man. Try it one more time. We'll see if we can pull you out, put you in the Hall of Fame. West Side Radio, checking that mail.
Mustang Radio, 122, northeast corner, state of Maine, trying to wave to that old west side.
There on the west side, you definitely checking out here on the foothills of San Gabriel's, man, on the west side of this Mojave Desert. No pain, no strain, 281, 131. I'm waving right back. Hey, Phil Billy, 357. Phil Billy, 357.
Just trying to see if Mother Nature would give me some conditions over there to the west side, no doubt. Trying to see if old Mother Nature would give me some conditions over there to the west side. 122 northeast corner.
Figure you ought to know, man. You're bumping it, you're bumping it, man. That's what it comes on down to. All right, man, best of 73. Worldwide West Side Radio Show. Get on down. 136 Arizona.
Got a big old hammer, 131. You got a big old hammer into the northeast corner, no doubt. 122 Main, trying to let you know.
Bum, 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 bum. Appreciate it, man. Do appreciate it, man. That's the way it goes down. That's the way it goes down in the world of sound. Worldwide 131, goofing off on a Sunday morning town.
Again, AKP, string bean, morning wave.
136 Arizona.